Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am solving this Math Olympic problem with a very easy method. So as our equation is square root of 3 of x plus 4, that is equals to square root of x plus square root of 3. So let's find out their solution. As our equation is 3x plus 4 square root equals to x plus 3 square root. Now I'm eliminate the square root, so I'm using both sides squaring. So I'm using both sides squaring square. So now square and square root cancelled out, and this term is a plus b formula. So a plus b formula, a plus b whole square, that is will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So our remainder equation is 3x plus 4, that is will be equal to square root of x a square plus 2 into square root of x into square root of 3 plus 3 square root square root and square cancel, square root and square cancel. So our remainder term is 3x plus 4, that is equals to x plus 2 into, so 2 into 3, 3x plus 3, which is, this is the formula of a square root of a into square root of b, that is equals to ab. So now if this term is positive and this term is positive, goes opposite side of equal mean negative term. So now our equation will be 3 of x plus 4 minus x and minus 3, that is equals to 2 square root of 3x. So if I'm at 3 minus 2, subtract 3 minus 2, 1 is 2 of x plus 4 minus 3 is 1, that is equals to 2 square root of 3 of x. So I am again both sides squaring again. So our equation is, so our equation will be, this is a square plus b square, again formula, which is a square plus 2 into 2 of x a and 1 plus 1 square, that is equals to 2 square and square root of 3. This is the formula of if bases have different and power is same. So now I'm separate out the power and with the same basis. So this term is for 2 of x is square root square is 4x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 1, that is equals to 2 square root of 2 is 4, square and square root cancel, into 3 of x into 3 of x. So 4 of x plus 4x 4x square plus 4x plus 1, that is equals to 12x. So this term is positive, equal opposite side mean negative. So equation will be 4x square plus 4x minus 12 plus 1, that is equals to 0. So our equation is 4x square minus 8 of x plus 1, that is equals to 0. So now this term is look like a quadratic equation. So now we solve for multiple ways. We're using a quadratic formula method, factorization method, or complete squaring method. Today I am solving with complete squaring method. So as our equation is 4 of x, if I'm wrote 8 is 4 into 2 of x is 8, or 1 is plus 4 minus 3 is 1, that is equals to 0. So this term, if these term, this 3 term, I'm common 4. So resultant is x square minus 2 of x plus 1 minus 3, that is equals to 0. So this term look like the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a minus b whole square formula. So our remainder equation is 4, and this is a is x minus b is 1 square minus 3, that is equals to 0. So now this term is negative, goes opposite means positive. So our equation is 4x minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 3. If I am divided by both sides by 4, both sides by 4, this term cancel, 4 cancel, and resultant is x minus 1, that is equals to 3 divided by 4 whole square. Now I eliminate square, so taking square root both sides, squaring both sides means square, this square root cancel, so the resultant is x minus 1, that is equals to 3 divided by 4 square root. And another formula is I'm using, that is if two number have a square root, now this time I'm separate out their square root to further simplification. So now I'm using plus minus because square root, and further simplification, and they have own square root. So square root of 4, that will be equal to 2 square, and square root cancel, that is equals to 2. So our equation is x is equals to plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So this means that x minus 1, that is equals to square root of 3 divided by 2, or x minus 1, that is equals to minus square root of 3 divided by 2. This is negative, goes opposite side mean positive. So x is equals to 1 plus square root of 3 divided by 2, and this also be opposite side, x that is equal to 1 minus and square root of 3 divided by 2. So that is our final answer to find the value of x. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.